Saigon has hundreds of big and small markets, but there is one place that many old Saigonese used to talk about. The market they call the most picky, the most fancy of them all, Tân Định Market. Reason? Because at a time in the past, this was the place where ladies came by car, had their drivers waiting, and could buy things without having to bargain. But behind all that bright, polished charm, Tân Định also hides its humbler treasures. Among them, the Giang Cẩu Ký noodle cart has become part of the market's living history, a quiet piece of culinary heritage that has stuck at its entrance for more than half a century. Tân Định Market was built in 1926, following a modern European style from the early 20th century. Its red tile roof, steel frame, concrete beams, long rows of windows for natural ventilation, and the console-supported eaves all create a bright, open trading space. The most unique feature is the three bell towers at the front, a thoughtful design made to harmonize with the three tower architectures of Tân Định Church across the streets, bringing graceful harmony between daily market life and the spiritual space nearby, a charm unique to Saigon. In 2003, the market was recognized as a municipal architectural heritage site, becoming one of the few buildings that still preserve the timeless beauty of Old Saigon. Few people know the market's original entrance wasn't on Hai Bà Trưng Street, but on Mã Lộ Street, once a busy horse carriage stop. Back then, shoppers got off their carriages here, creating a lively scene of Old Saigon. Vendor says that before 1975, jeeps and private cars light the sides of the market, with customers mostly being officers' wives and senior public workers. Today, the fancy market image has faded. Sellers are friendlier, but the clean, airy European-style architecture still remains. There's a noodle cart that has stayed here for more than 50 years, Giang Cẩu Ký. It's not just a food stall, it's a place that keeps the flavors and stories of the Chinese communities in Chợ Lớn. The story begins with Tan's grandfather, Mr. Giang Lam Ký. He used to carry a shoulder pole with two carts around Tân Định Market during the French colonial period. In 1968, this cart officially stood at the dock, from serving porter at 4 a.m. to rich kids going to bars and watching movies at Kinh Thành Cinema late at night. This cart had witnessed it all. Let's take a closer look at this noodle cart. It's not an ordinary aluminum and stainless steel cart. This is made of rare rosewood, built in the cities. The current third-generation owner, Mr. Giang Thanh, said that this cart is unique, meaning there is no second one like it. The cart builder has long passed away, and no one can make such intricate designs anymore. Every full moon day of the month, he stopped selling just to oil and polish the cart like a treasure. The most unique things about this noodle cart is the 2 chicken wings. It can only seat 4 to 5 people, a bit cramped, but the feelings of sitting close to the fragrant pot of broth, watching the owner's hand move quickly, is truly special. This is an experience that no air-conditioned restaurant can offer. And here it is, the main characters of the shop. A bowl of mixed noodle, only about 40 to 50k Vietnam dong, surprisingly cheap for this busy central area. The noodles are fresh, handmade in the old Cantonese style, firm but still soft. The broth is light and clean, sweet from shimmer's bones, not from MSG. It has a gentle, honest, very classic taste. One bite of wonton, one bite of char siu, and you can feel the flavors of Saigon that has stayed the same for more than half a century. Tân Định Market may not be as posh as before, and there may be a bit fewer customers after the pandemic, but the decorum and meticulousness in each item and dishes are still there. If you have the chance to pass through District 1, stop by Tân Định, not only to shop, but to see an old Saigon that is still living, breathing, and telling story through its tall and long-standing restaurant. Thank you for cherishing Saigon. You're watching content produced by the Saigon Remix team. Hit follow and turn on notification so you won't miss our documentaries about Saigon's culture, history, and people. Goodbye and see you again.